We will discuss about the Gauss law in magnetism. Okay, so I will preface to write the statement first. According to this law, the net magnetic flux, the net magnetic flux, the net magnetic flux through any closed surface is zero. Through any closed surface is ज़ीरो। यदि इसको मैं मैथमेटिकली लिखना चाहूँ तो इसको मैं ऐसे लिख सकता हूँ कि बी डॉट डी एस is equal to 0. So we will start with our existing knowledge for Gauss law for magnetism. So we will start with from Coulomb's law. For a Coulomb's law, what we have done, the magnitude of electric field because of some source charge at a point is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q divided by r square. Corresponding to it, यदि हम इससे इलेक्ट्रिक फ्लक्स निकालते हैं then E dot ds is equal to total charge inside divided by epsilon 0. It's a charge inside the closed surface, right? So here this part shows the electric flux. This part represent electric flux, okay, and this part represent the net charge inside the closed surface, okay. So similarly, from this equation, if I will replace E by B and 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0, no, then we will replace this E with B and Q inside with M inside, net pole strength inside. So magnetic field could be written as B is equal to, this is mu naught upon 4 pi into M over R square. So we can draw, this Gauss law for magnetism could be then written as, Gauss law for magnetism could then be written as B dot ds is equal to mu 0 time M inside, right? So what is B dot ds? B dot ds is the magnetic flux, and M inside is the, what is M inside? It is the net pole strength. It is the net pole strength. It is net pole strength, okay. So however, there is an additional feature. Now there is a basic difference between these two, electric flux and magnetic flux. In case of electric flux, a single charge exists. So but in case of magnetic flux, magnetic monopole do not exist. So here is the smallest unit of magnetic field is the magnetic moment, that is because of the magnetic dipole. So net pole strength because of this magnetic dipole is always equal to 0. So if this part is always equal to 0, what does this mean? This means that B dot ds is always equal to 0, okay. So the elementary source of magnetic field is the magnetic dipole or a circulating current loop as suggested by the Ampere. So all the magnetic phenomena can be explained in terms of an arrangement of dipole oblique, we can say it's because of current loop. So M inside for the dipole is always equal to 0. What does this mean? This means that magnetic flux, I can write as phi B, is always equal to 0. So we can depict it with the help of these two figures, figure number A, figure number 1. I will mark this as figure number 1, and this is figure number 2. See the figure carefully. This is for electrostatics. So here the two charges, and this positive charge and negative charge. See here carefully. Uh, Positive charge is the source of electric field lines. So electric field lines are emerging out from this source charge, right? So the net electric flux because of this is equal to E dot ds is equal to Q net अपॉन एप्सिलॉन जीरो. बट सी इन द फिगर नंबर 2, आप एक इस क्लोज सरफेस को जरा ध्यान से देखिए. इसको देखिए आप, यहाँ से जो नॉर्थ पोल को रिप्रेजेंट किया गया है और यहाँ से जो तीन मैग्नेटिक लाइंस ऑफ फोर्सेस जो है वो इस सरफेस क्लोज सरफेस से बाहर की ओर जा रही है. बट द सेम थ्री लाइंस ऑफ फोर्सेस आर कमिंग इनसाइड. चार, देयर फोर फाइव, आई मीन आई हैव टू काउंट इट वंस अगेन. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Seven lines of forces are emerging out from this surface, but the seven lines of forces are coming inside. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Seven lines of forces are coming inside this closed surface. So the net magnetic flux is equal to 0. So this is what the Gauss law for magnetism is, which shows that magnetic monopole do not exist. इसका जो conclusion हुआ, this means that magnetic monopole do not exist. इसका फर्दर मीनिंग ये है कि जिस तरीके से जैसे इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स में जो सोर्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक लाइंस ऑफ फोर्सेस है वो पॉजिटिव चार्ज होता है, यहाँ से पॉजिटिव लाइंस ऑफ फोर्सेस इमर्ज होती हैं और नेगेटिव चार्ज के ऊपर जाकर वो सिंक हो जाती है. But in case of the magnetic dipole, there is no source or sinker. There is no source of magnetic field lines. Source, I can write like this. There is no source or sink in magnetic dipole. Okay, so this is all about this video. I'm leaving a few problem, example number 5.6 and 5.7 for you, and I hope that you will understand these two examples from NCERT. If you do find some trouble with these two examples, then write in the comment box, and then I will prepare the video for the corresponding problems, unless I will now shift for this earth magnetism. Thank you very much.